Hello viewers, welcome to Mythology. Has a weird thought like this ever hovered in your mind? How magnificent it might look if we could celebrate Diwali underwater? Doesn't seem feasible, right? Because all those luminaries that you illuminate your house with wouldn't glow potentially underwater. Have you ever chased the fireflies in your garden on a summer night, or at least during the dusk time? Then you could understand what am I trying to indicate towards. If you ever get a chance, you should try to make a trip to Andaman and Nicobar Islands or to the Lakshadweep Islands, because you could witness it for yourself, the glow amongst these organisms, which really looks like the celebration of Diwali underwater. There are several organisms who can produce this luminescence, and it's a natural phenomenon. A natural phenomenon amongst organisms who can produce and emit this light, and this is due to a chemical reaction where the chemical energy is converted into light energy inside those living organisms. That's why we call this natural phenomenon as bioluminescence. Coral reefs are best examples to display the colorful light of bioluminescence. And here, this is indeed seen in the Great Barrier Reef of Australia, which is popular worldwide. But what I spoke to you about our Indian continent, we have the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands as well, which produce quite good amount of bioluminescence in their waters. Bioluminescence starts from the lower groups of Monera. There are bioluminescent bacteria found in the oceans or in the waters under the genera of Photobacterium or the genus of Vibrio. There are also some land forms of this bacteria like the Photorhabdus, which can glow and produce light. They may either be free living or they may live in symbiotic relationship with certain algae. More than the bacteria, there are several other groups of organisms who can produce bioluminescence. It is the fungi. A large number of fungi under 70 different species can emit bioluminescence. The tropical jungles do have abundance of them, and few of them are also found in the temperate forests like the foxfire, which can emit considerable amount of light. The higher animals, when we look into, we would find the Coelenterata, that is the jellyfishes and the water jelly, which can produce huge amount of bioluminescence in the oceans. There are also the molluscans under the name of bobtail squid, which is excellently seen to emit bioluminescence in vibrance of colors. There are huge number of fishes, few of them I'm naming, like the anglerfish, and there is another called the lanternfish, on whose head, like a lantern, the light glows, and that is indeed for locating the prey in the deeper depths of the water. There are many more organisms like the dinoflagellates and the zooplanktons who can produce this light in their body. Now, what are the reasons for the production of the light? Like, why do they need this light to be produced? Is it only for experiencing a celebration like condition, or is it something else? Let me tell you, for these lower organisms, it is a celebration when they get their food, when they are capable of sustaining their lives. So the basic reasons wouldn't be like celebration, it would be for their survival. So the first reason is to confuse the predators who try to come and attack them and kill them. This could also be done for attracting prey which are located at deeper depths of the sea. It could also be possible that they produce bioluminescence for luring their potential mates. Bioluminescence has also been considered as a communication method between the members of the same species. So, sustenance of life is usually the main reason for the bioluminescence in these organisms. But the spectacular view that we can witness is really heartwarming. Now, the cause behind this bioluminescence should also be understood. And why is it not possible for us to do? Only such organisms who have in their body a chemical called luciferin can convert it into light energy with the help of an enzyme called luciferase and enacting it with the oxygen present in the atmosphere. That gets converted into photoprotein which starts emitting light. So this is the chemical reaction that happens in their body, and that exhibits huge variety of color which looks just magnificent. People all over the world come to witness the spectacular view in the Great Barrier Reef of Australia. We also get tourists to come and watch the view in Andamans and the Lakshadweep Islands. So why not think of making a next trip to the islands that are in India and truly get the pleasure of enjoying a condition as if Diwali being celebrated underwater. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.